The sky turns red, tides rise unnaturally, and then, on the horizon, a massive planet emerges, hurtling toward Earth. Could we survive a planetary collision? Planetary collisions aren't just sci-fi. Rogue planets could be drifting through space, invisible, silent, until it's too late. These wandering celestial bodies, untethered by any star, move unpredictably. Orbital instability, gravity fluctuations. What if one entered our solar system and set its course for Earth? The consequences would be catastrophic. Imagine the gravitational chaos, the tidal forces disrupting our oceans, the potential for massive earthquakes. Our planet's orbit could be altered, leading to climate shifts and widespread devastation. Scientists are constantly monitoring the skies, but these rogue planets are elusive, often hidden in the darkness of space. Advanced telescopes and space missions aim to detect them early, but the threat remains. What would humanity do in the face of such a cosmic intruder? Preparation and early detection are key, but the unpredictability of these rogue planets makes them a formidable threat. Now imagine this. A planet 10 times Earth's mass colliding at tens of kilometers per second, the energy released. Enough to boil oceans, crack the crust, and ignite the atmosphere. This is planetary-scale annihilation. But let's delve deeper into what this truly means. Picture the sheer force of the impact, a cataclysmic event that reshapes the very fabric of the planet. Oceans would vaporize instantly, sending massive plumes of steam into the sky. The crust, once solid and unyielding, would fracture like glass, creating vast chasms and fissures. The atmosphere, filled with combustible gases, would ignite, turning the sky into a canvas of fire. This isn't just destruction, it's a transformation on a cosmic scale, altering the planet forever. The aftermath would be a world unrecognizable, a testament to the raw power of celestial collisions. Could humanity survive? Maybe if we went underground. Massive bunkers, seed vaults, and deep earth shelters, or we launched generation ships, a desperate leap into space, but time is running out. If we survive, what's left? A broken world? A new planet formed from the wreckage? Or an Earth forever scarred, no longer home? The universe is vast and utterly indifferent. Would we be ready if this ever happened? Imagine a scenario where the unthinkable becomes reality. How prepared are we for a sudden disaster that could change everything in an instant? From natural calamities to man-made catastrophes, the potential for unexpected events is always looming. If you're fascinated by what could be and want to explore the depths of these possibilities, like, comment and follow for more what would happen scenarios. Your engagement helps us bring more content that could one day make a difference in your life. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more mind-bending videos. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.